Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin and welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how to set up audience in Google Analytics 4. You have to use to your Google Ads platform. So no more delay, let's get started. So firstly, you have to log in your Google Analytics 4 and you have to confirm that you already set up Google Analytics 4 in Google with Google Tag Manager. Then you have to find out each and every event of your website like page view, UITM, add to cart, begin checkout, purchase. So you have to go to the admin to create the audience, and in the admin section and the data display section, you have to find out the option audience. Here you can see that, click on it, and here you can see that already my client are creating the lots of audience for his business purpose, but I want to show you how to create the new audience. So if I click the new audience sections, you have to find out the some built-in template. You have to also use this audience to your retargeting process in Google Ads. If I am clicking the non-purchase template, click on it. Here you can see that you have to find the audience options. Also, you can find out the adding the some conditions, and also we can see that 36K we have to retarget by using of Google Ads. So you can also use this template for growth your business, and also 7-day inactive users. That means who are coming to your website, they are inactive, and you have to retarget on the audience and also the purchase, and you have to also use the built-in template which are provided by the Google Analytics force. So now we are creating the new audience. So create a new custom audience, and you have to find out in the left hand side a new conditions. If I am click on it, and you have to find out the lots of dimension and as well as the event. So if I click on the event, that is the all event. I'm already told you, if you do not set up the Google Analytics 4 tracking, then you do not find out this kind of set up the tracking process. You have to find out the all of events. So if I am go to the event, select the begin checkout event. So when I'm selecting the begin checkout event, and I have to find out the audience that 3.5K visitor who are completed the begin checkout event. So I'm trying to exclude the purchase. So I am clicking the add group to exclude, add new conditions, and go to event and find out the purchase. Here you can see the purchase. So I am excluded the purchase because they are already buying our product. But 3.k user do not buying our product. So that is the our advantages. We are exclude our purchase event from the begin checkout event. So I want to retarget the 1.2K user who are not purchasing my product. So by using this method, we have to retargeting the audience by using of Google Ads. I hope you understand. So you have to just giving the audience name. So I am just giving the name, not purchase. And I'm also the giving the time frame, that is last 30 days. So if I am save it, I can create the audience. So that is my opportunity. We have to able to retarget the 1.2K user who are only completed the begin checkout event but do not buying any product. So that is our opportunity to create the audience to using the Google Ads. So I'm creating the new audience, and as a conditions, and go to the geography and the city, and we have to adding the add filter, and we have to select the individual state or city. Here you can see that lots of city. So you have to create any kind of targeted audience like New York City audience. So I am apply on it. So you can see that we have to find out 294 who are only for the New York user. And if I am exclude it to even name, and that will be the we are exclude the purchase who are coming from the New York City, apply on it. Here you can see that if I am explain more, last 30 days, we have an audience in 294 and only 22 are completed the purchase event. That means they are buying the product. But we have to find out the 284 audience who are not purchasing our product. So you can easily create the audience to retargeting by using of Google Ads. So I already shown you how to create the audience, but now question is how you can use it on your Google Ads platform. So firstly, you have to link your Google Ads from the product link option. Here you can see the Google Ads, and you can see that our Google Analytics 4 are connected with the Google Ads. Then if I am go to the Google Ads platform and go to the tools sections, go to the tools, and in the shared library option, you can find out the audience manager. When Google Analytics 4 are connected with the Google Ads, then you can find out the each and every audience in the audience manager sections, and you can use this audience on your Google Ads platform to retargeting. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful for you and you can easily create any kind of audience and you have to retargeting the audience by using of Google Ads. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.